My name is Pranab Sarkar, comes from Bangladesh. Currently, I am working as a technical consultant with Inflow Technologies Singapore Pte. Limited. Inflow Technologies Singapore Pte. Limited is a distributor of HUAWEI product and solutions, and gold distribution for HUAWEI eKit domain. And basically, HUAWEI eKit domain have multiple products. They are Datacom, Idea Hub, Collaboration, Opticals, multiple domain products. We are talking about HUAWEI Datacom product, like they have end-to-end solution, switches, routers, firewall, and Wi-Fi 7, and there is an optical product also. And HUAWEI eKit have a fantastic feature, easy to maintain, easy to configure, so that anyone can configure the router and switches from their eKit app. So this is nice and fantastic feature because no need to help with another IT guy or another tutorial to configure these devices. Anyone can do from their app. It's very simple and easy.